Hey, Uncle Deke here. I just got a package yesterday from Mike, my great friend in Newfoundland, Canada. I had him make me some pieces on his 3D printer, and he sent them to me, get them to me quick. So let's open the package, click, 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 and dump it out and see what's in there. Ah, look at there. Pieces made with this 3D printer. Now what are these? This is a protective case for the new version 2 Dragon Link receiver. There's a yellow one and a black one. This is for the version 1 Dragon Link receiver. It's a little bit bigger. These would go on an airplane or a quad to protect the receiver from getting damaged. Then he made me these. These are 15-degree angle rests for the Mobius camera to put on a quad, because when you're flying nose down, it makes the camera stick up a little bit better. Now, the reason I opened the package because I already got this one ready to go on a quad. I just cut some holes in it, put some Velcro in it, and I'll show you what it does. Put this on there like that, and when the quad is angled down, the camera is straighter and more level. That way you're not seeing the grass all the time. One's just a little bit narrower than the other, a tiny bit. This will go on there the same way. Okay, let's take, we've got a new version 2 Dragon Link receiver here, and you want to protect this investment. These are pretty small and could be beat up pretty easy. Okay, so what you do is you just tape them together, but they come apart like this, and there's holes in it already, and you just put like some little servo screws in here. Everybody's got the little screws. The Dragon Link fits right in there real nice and snug. Holes in there for the cooling for the back of the receiver. Put your screws on there and fasten this down, and you got plenty of room to get your servo wires in there. This is the same thing, and this is for the bigger one. I'll put the link for Mike's Facebook page on there, so if you want to get in touch with him to have him make you something, go for it. But these are really slick. This is high quality 3D printing. Thanks, Mike. Mike's a good guy. Uncle Deke out.